Bony.
Did you get it? Did you get your coffee cup? Here, I'll hold this down for you. Hi, baby. You already had food. Next time I need to put some inside the egg. I made it all. I'm just like a little tiny bit more. No, hold on. No, you can't get in the bag. Look. Listen here, Oreo. You eating a hot dog? Let me see the frying pan. It's so cute. Did you eat all of this? Nope, there's still some in there. Just some more in the coffee cup. Yes. Put some inside the flour.
Anything, bro?
I already did. It's gonna stay like that until I get them neutered. This guy is going Friday the 14th this month to get neutered. And then he's next. Benjamin the Bunny Floppington, Mr. Oreo.
Meat rabbit because it's so big.
Oh no. Ow, you little heifer. I don't have food on me. He nipped me. He didn't bite. He didn't hurt, but he nipped me. See, look how cute. I got it off Amazon. Really?
So big.
So big.
So big.
Look at that back. The food is over here.
You can get more.
Guys. The food's in here. The food's in here, Oreo.
You recording and you paused it.
I'm recording. Oh, y'all ate that. It's in here too. Oh my goodness. Oh, you already got it out of the
Squeaky.
eggs. Oh, there's one more in there. Oh yeah. No neck rubs. You love those. Oh, before anyone says anything, they are not starving. They clearly have hay bags. But they're fat boys. He's my fat boys. Well, clearly not. He's fat on the inside. They just like their pellets. Babies. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. Like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it.